Something's different, something's changed, and I don't know why. Even the old folks can't recall when it's ever been this hot and dry. Dust devils whirling on the first day of July. It's 100 degrees at 10 a.m., not a cloud up in the sky. We hardly had a winter, had about a week of spring. Crops are burned up in the fields, there's a blanket of dust on everything. The weatherman is saying that there ain't no change in sight. Lord, I've never been a praying man, but I'm saying one tonight. I'm praying for rain. I'm praying for rain. Lord, I ain't never asked for much, and I don't mean to complain, but I'm praying for rain. I ain't no wise man, but I ain't no fool, and I believe that Mother Nature is taking us to school. Maybe we just took too much and put too little back. It isn't knowledge, it's humility we lack. I'm praying for rain. I'm praying for rain. Lord, I ain't never asked for much, and I don't mean to complain, but I'm praying for rain. Some people pray for victory, some people pray for peace, some people pray for extra time, some pray for sweet release, some pray for health and happiness, for riches and renown. But none of this will matter much if the waters don't come down. I'm praying for rain. I'm praying for rain. Lord, I ain't never asked for much, and I don't mean to complain, but I'm praying for rain.